Hello, Artlicious babies, how are you? This is Manisha, and today I'm going to talk about how you can improve your drawing. First of all, drawing is a foundation to any form of art making, be it painting, sketching, yeah, that is, but then graphic designing or sculpture making. Basic knowledge of drawing can help you big time. A lot of people believe that drawing is an ability or it's a skill which very lucky few are born with, but personally I don't believe so. No, I don't think we are born with it. I mean, a lot of people tell me, oh my god, you are so lucky to be born with such a talent, but no, I don't remember practicing in my mother's womb. I mean, not to be rude, but I think it's not that we can draw just because we are born with it, but there's years of practice and dedication behind it, and many artists will agree with it. So if you feel you can't draw well and you really want to improve, remember, no one's born with it. You just have to practice and you will get better for sure. Babies who are watching this video and thinking they aren't born with with this drawing talent, and anyone who's watching and wanting to improve, keep watching this video because I'm gonna tell you 5 basic tips, some easy and simple exercises you can do to improve your drawing. Exercise number 1: scribble. Before you start working on your masterpiece, scribble. Take a rough paper, you can even take a newspaper and start drawing lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines, slanted lines, tilted lines, like all sort of lines. Then you can draw circles, big, small, all sort of circles. Grab a rough paper. If you don't want to waste your drawing paper, you can use a newspaper and start drawing some lines. Draw some horizontal lines, some vertical lines, maybe some tilted lines. You can draw lines from left to right or right to left. Make sure whatever lines you draw, however you draw them in one single stroke and a force. Avoid drawing broken or short lines. You can even draw circles. You can draw big circles, small circles. If you want, you can draw bigger circles than what I am drawing, or smaller circles than what I have drawn. But whatever you do, avoid using broken lines and try to draw in one single stroke. At first, your circles or your lines may look squashed or jagged, but keep drawing. They'll look fine with enough practice. Now, why to draw the silly lines? Well, drawing the silly lines is gonna help you move your hand in any direction freely. It's gonna help you loosen your hand. Or exercise number 2: avoid drawing flat diagrams. Wait, what does that mean? I mean, I'm drawing on a paper which is flat. Well, see, everything we see, everything in nature has a certain dimension and depth to it. Let me demonstrate. As I was saying earlier, everything in nature, everything we see has a certain dimension and depth. Now, how would you draw a clown's hat? Or a normal hat? How would you draw a hat? Maybe something like this. You would draw a triangle and maybe add some details. But you see, a hat has a certain dimension. It is not a plain triangle or flat triangle. It's kind of a cylindrical triangle. It is hollow. It has some certain dimension. You can clearly see the difference. I'll darken the edges so you can see them clearly.
Now let me give you another example. Let's draw a pencil. How would you draw a pencil? A long rectangle and a triangle. Maybe add some details. Well, this looks like a pencil, but something's missing. What? Dimensions and depth. You see, pencil is actually cylindrical shaped. Something like this. As I'm drawing, you can clearly see the difference.
Tip or exercise number 3. This is a bit tough one, but yeah, I hope you understand. Draw again and 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 again. Yeah, I mean, choose a picture you want to draw and draw it. Now, note the time it took you to complete the drawing. Done? Good. Now, draw the same picture again, but this time, set a timer. Let's say 10 minutes timer. So you have to complete the drawing in 10 minutes. Once you're done, draw the same picture again, but this time set a timer of 5 minutes. Once you're done, draw the same picture again, but this time set the timer of maybe 3 or 2 minutes. Then draw the picture again, but this time set a 1 minute timer or 2 minute or 1.5 minute. Well, I know this exercise seems kinda tough, but it is gonna help you, believe me. Exercise is gonna help you stop thinking and help you focus on more important forms. With less amount of time, you will see more important forms of the drawing than unnecessary details. Tip or exercise number 4. Draw layouts. Well, you see, a lot of people fail to keep the complete drawing or figure on the page. Maybe because they started working on the details too soon. See, it's very easy to get lost in the details and run out of room on the page. How to avoid that? Well, it's pretty simple. To avoid that, draw a layout beforehand.
I have a few of my sketches for this example. As you can see, I didn't make a layout and I couldn't fit the whole diagram. So some of my drawings just ran out of papers. This was well fitted. This ran out of paper. As you can see, her hair. If you can see the forehead, it's clear that I have run out of paper. Now this one is well fitted. This one is well fitted. Again, well fitted. Now this one, as you can see, poor Leonardo, his hair is missing. This is because I didn't draw a layout beforehand. I have a few more examples. As you can see, this one is well fitted. I have a margin. Then this one is well fitted. Again, I have a margin. And this one is well fitted. So I just want to say, draw a layout beforehand. I didn't know what example to give you for this, but I had some poor layout. Portraits, and I thought maybe I'll just show you them. So these were like well fitted, and now this one, you can clearly see his hair is out of the paper. Again, I have one more example. You can see his hair is out of the paper again. I have run out of room on this paper. I couldn't fit the neck and the shoulder.
Last tip on this list. Tip number 5. Start a portfolio. Yes, this one's pretty easy, huh? Stop discarding or throwing away, or putting away your sketches or your half-finished projects, and start storing them. You can make a book. You can buy a book and you can draw in that book, sketchbook, or if you're drawing on drawing papers, then you can buy a file, or you can just anyhow store them. Yeah. Now, why to store your drawings or sketches? I mean, Radhi. No, there are 2 reasons actually. First reason is, if you have any half-finished projects, then you can complete them later on. And the second thing is, storing your projects, your drawings and your sketches will help you track your progress. It will not let you get discouraged or sidetracked, and will help you to focus on your drawings more. You can buy a sketchbook, or if you're drawing on papers, you can buy yourself a file and store them. I just want to say, no matter how good, no matter how bad your drawings are, store them. It will really help you track your progress. And when you see your progress, it'll only help like in boosting your confidence. So store your sketches. That's my last tip. These are the 5 basic tips or exercises you can do to improve your drawing. Remember, there are no shortcuts. No one is born with it. All you need is a little bit of knowledge and a lot of practice and dedication. That's it. That's the only secret. I hope you like this video. Thank you.